What if a report card measures achievement but not potential? Imagine judging an eagle's ability by watching it swim. Sounds ridiculous. Some schools do something similar every day. We often mistake current performance for future potential. We assume that learners obtaining 35% are weak learners, but perhaps they are unsupported learners, a disengaged learner, a misunderstood learner, an unseen learner. History is filled with people who struggled in formal schooling but thrived when somebody recognized strengths rather than marks failed revealed. The question is not whether learners have potential. The question is whether you're creating enough opportunities for the potential to emerge. Think about this. How many learners have I mentally labeled without realizing it? Again, identify one learner who consistently struggles. Write down 3 strengths that learner possesses: persistence, creativity, humor, leadership, kindness. Then ask, how can I use one of these strengths to improve academic performance? You see, potential grows when strengths are noticed.